Find the derivative of y equals 5x to the 4 plus 3x all to the power of 6. And to get started with the chain rule, we're going to need to make this a composite function, f of g of x. In this case, f of x will be the outside function, which is x to the 6, and g of x is the inside function, which is 5x to the 4 plus 3x. Great, now that we have these elements, we can get started with the chain rule. So f prime of x will be the derivative of x to the 6, which is 6x to the 5 according to the power rule. But we need f prime of g of x. F prime of g of x. All we need to do now, because we already have f prime of x, is to plug in g of x in for the x, for f prime of x. And we get 6 bracket 5x to the 4 plus 3x to the 5. So that's f prime of g of x. Then we need g prime of x as well, which is going to be a piece of cake, because we just need to take the derivative of 5x to the 4 plus 3x, and the derivative of 5x to the 4 is just 20x to the 3, because 4 times 5 is 20. We're bringing the 4 down, and 4 minus 1, 3. That's the power rule, of course. And the derivative of just plus 3x is just plus 3. That's it. So finally, the final answer here, finally the final answer, will be f prime of g of x times g prime of x, which is this whole thing here times that whole thing there. So we get 6 times 5x to the 4 plus 3x to the power of 5 times 20x to the 3 plus 3. And that's our final answer right there.